Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Here we have a IEEE topic, Cross Cloud MapReduce for Big Data. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. If you like this video, in this project we are using several technologies. Java and J2EE, that is Advanced Java Concepts, which includes JDBC Servlet and JSP. Tomcat. Apache Tomcat, also known as Tomcat Server, proves to be a popular choice for web developers building and maintaining dynamic websites and applications based on the Java software platform. Eclipse. Eclipse is an open source IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. Eclipse is popular for Java application development and Android apps. Mysql. MySQL is a freely available open source relational database management system (RDBMS) that uses structured query language SQL. SQL is the most popular language for adding, accessing, and managing contents in a database. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on hard storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software programs to run it. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and businesses for a number of reasons, including cost savings, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance and security. Aim. The main objective of this system is to cluster the similar object into a one set and outsourcing the cluster data into HDFS with more security. HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, is the primary data storage system used by Hadoop applications. Introduction. The rapid rise in the data volume in recent years has generated an emerging challenge in the collection and interpretation of a huge amount of data. As a leading platform for big data analytics developed by Google and popularized by open source Hadoop, MapReduce is used by a huge number of organizations to parallel their data collection to distributed computing frameworks. Problem statement. MapReduce is an innovative technology that helps one to reduce more extra space on a huge data set. The concept of MapReduce is isolate the records into blocks and check the existence of the block in the power. In the event that there is no valid cause to store the block, here the problem arises to verify whether the block is accessible or not. On countless blocks, some investment would be needed. Existing system. The existing cloud computing system offers not only secure services with performance assurance, but also savings on in-house IT infrastructure. However, as databases used for clustering can include sensitive information, for example, patient health information, commercial and behavioral data, etc. Especially contracting them to public cloud repository eventually creates privacy issues. Disadvantages of existing system. Less efficiency, security is less, speed of transmission is low. Proposed system. In a real Hadoop cluster, the data is stored in HDFS, which replicates each data block to multiple copies for error tolerance. Our device model and formulation do not interface with HDFS because while several copies of each data block are stored in HDFS, only one copy will be loaded for computing and transmitted across the inter-cloud network if remote loading is necessary. Cloud typically have many types of VMs to satisfy different specifications. For example, Amazon offers regular instances that vary in the number of virtual cores, memory capacity, and local storage. Each mix has different price for it. To handle your project, visit www.dhsinformatics.com, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to call these numbers. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.